Hey YouTube, it's your boy Boucher. Today we're back with another video, and today we're gonna do a cereal mukbang. PS, we'll see. I'll see. I had plans to do a cereal mukbang at eight in the morning, but I got homework which I didn't know about. So let's see. I got my homework out of the way, so now I'm finally back with, let's see, another mukbang, which I'm gonna be doing is cereal, you know? So yeah. And first, the kind of cereal I got is Captain Crunch. But Captain Crunch is my favorite cereal. So yeah. Enough of the talking though, let's get started. Had a good day to enjoy this mukbang. I love Captain Crunch. That's my favorite cereal brand in the world. What was that? Whew. I thought that was my mom. Then she was like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "Doing a mukbang." I'm gonna tell the truth though. But I love doing mukbangs like this. That's some good cereal. Yep, I forgot to tell you, my favorite cereals are Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and what else? Apple Jacks and Froops. I think that's all I love. I love those kind of cereals. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I hope I'm praying that this mukbang I make about cereal will get some views, but I don't know because I really want to get noticed. I'm trying my best. Yeah, you can tell this video will be off the chain. You're like, oh yeah, the video I uploaded is on about a PS4 collection. And that got me 28 views, and I'm okay with it. I probably hope that my channel is gonna make it out right, since it's my new channel. You can tell that. Let's see. I only talked a little while. Let's see, enjoying the heck out of the cereal and doing this mukbang for you guys. And I hope y'all enjoy it. Yep, you can tell that I'm almost through. So yeah, I got like two bites left. You can tell that I'm all done. So yeah, but first I need to drink some of this milk so I can watch this stuff down. And voila, there you go. I'm all done. So yeah, way too. Let's see. Way too. Oh yeah, that's all I gotta do for this mukbang. And this is my dirt on your dirt time. Let's see. Oh yeah, doing a mukbang on cereal, but let's see. I did one on about spaghetti, and also I did another one on pork chops. And yeah, so yeah. And let's see. And way too. Before I go, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that notification button if you get a chance. So yeah, way too. It's been your boy Bruce Miles. Peace out, and let's see. I hope you enjoy the let's see cereal mupping, and peace out.